Trip's first birthday present.
Do you want to open the present, Trip? Here. Let's turn it here. And can you pull right there? Pull right there. Get your finger in there.
We're opening it a little bit early.
Good rip, Trip. Well, it came in the middle. Therefore, it's perfectly safe and perfectly, oh. And apparently we're already done with it. Where are you going, big man? Good birthday present.
Okay.
Trip? Trip! It's coming off. Here, look at that. She's going off to play with the rug. I go ahead and open it? Or do we want to let him?
Dippy, come back here.
Trip, you have a birthday present. Do you want to play with the birthday present?
Trippy, come here.
Do you want to open your present, Trip? Can you walk to your present? Good job. Good walking, Trip. See, you can walk and down and crawl the other way. Hey,
Goodbye,
Trip.
everybody.